Unlimited fam, Big Dave coming back at you with another Motivational Monday. I hope everyone's having a great Monday, a great morning, or whenever you're watching this. Today we're going to talk about our fourth part of our 5-part series. And in case you hadn't seen the other 3 parts, we'll put a link up here. The first part was how to hack your health, right? How to become healthier, how to focus on your health a little better. Our second part was how to hack your career, how to excel in that aspect of your bubble, of your world. Our last week's was financial, how to hack your financial aspect of your life. And this week is going to be my absolute favorite, social. How to hack your social life, right? How to become a little better with that aspect, that bubble of your life. And then to wrap everything up, on the 22nd, we're going to do a live Zoom seminar for everyone to talk about these 5 pillars of life, right? This whole life concept that I came up with that's out on the website. Don't forget to go to the website, www.upna.net. That's where you're going to register for the seminar also on the 22nd of this month. So Wednesday, the 22nd, we're going to do the seminar. And hey, let's get into how to life hack your social life. So guys, look, the premise of all of this is to get you to think a little bit about things that you can make a little better in your life, right? So you're going to hack your social aspect of your life. We're going to talk about 3 ways that you can become a little better in your social bubble, right? In your social realm of your life. And the first thing that we're going to give you, the first tool in our toolbox, is to focus on calling a friend or a family member, someone that you want to talk to, but you just don't talk to enough. And I don't mean just like calling and saying hi. Dedicate some time to talk to this person, right? Sometimes we miss out on our friends and our family, not for any good reason. I have close friends that we don't talk as much as I would like to, right? And so I try to make sure that I get on Facebook or Zoom or whatever medium you like to use to video with someone. And just video with them. Or if you have to just call. But what you want to do is set a goal. This week, I'm going to call 3 people and that's it. And this is when I'm going to do it. All right. So set that goal for yourself and go, this is what I'm going to do. Boom, the end. And try to keep that momentum going, right? The whole premise of all of these life hacks is to create this atmosphere around you to where you're doing this stuff consistently. So consistently call someone. But to start off, let's just focus on this week. Let's focus on calling 2-3 people and achieve that goal, right? Achieve that small goal. It's an easy thing, and I think most of us have 2-3 people that we don't talk to as much as we really want to. So that's life hack number 1 for your social realm. Call somebody this week, right? 3 times. Okay, and the second one is to expand your social network. What does that mean? A lot of us live in this bubble, this I go home after work, I watch TV or I play video games, I don't socialize, I don't do this. Get out of that bubble this week, okay? So this week, I want you to sign up for some dance lessons or go to a singles meeting, volunteer somewhere. Do something outside of your comfort zone, outside of your bubble that enables you to socially interact with people that you don't know, all right? That's the key this week. Just one thing that you're going to do to focus on socializing with someone that you don't know, some peoples that you don't know. And that could be anything. My goodness, there's so many things that we could be doing to socialize. Sign up for a seminar, again, dance lessons, music lessons, something like that. But just go and be social this week. Just once, right? Just set a goal for once this week. Volunteer even, volunteer for something that you're passionate about. And that's going to expand your social network. And that's what we want to do this week, is just expand that social network. And those are some good ideas, some good tips to help you get that ball going. But the goal is you got to do it, right? This week, you got to do it. All right, guys. And the third and last thing in our social realm, our social bubble, is to monitor or limit your social media time. And I'll tell you, I'm a victim of this a lot. I get on social media. I get on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and all of this, and I just scroll and I catch myself and I go, what am I doing? I'm wasting my time. I'm wasting my day. I could be doing something else, right? So limit the amount of social media that you're consuming, right? It's the truth is it's all the same. Stay off of the social media so much, right? Do something more productive and constructive with your time. All right, guys, I really hope that those 3 tips helped. I really hope that you click the link and check out the other videos on the 5 pillars of life. And please, please, please sign up for the seminar on the 22nd. Again, on www.upna.net. And that's where you can sign up for the seminar, as well as get personal one-on-one life coaching if that's what you're looking for. And hopefully that is. Put some comments down below. Tell me if you're enjoying these videos, if they help at all. And your likes, your comments, your engagement within the videos on YouTube really helps YouTube promote the video to other people. And that's what we want to do, is just maximum exposure for people. I'm not doing this for myself. I'm doing this for other people because I want to see the world a better place, a kinder place, a more focused, more beautiful, more goal-centric place. That's all. So anyways, smash the like on that note, subscribe, and have a wonderful week. Peace.